Welcome to this exacqVision 26.0 tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the enhanced automated camera inspection feature in Enterprise Manager, showing you how to monitor, configure, and respond to inspection results quickly and effectively. To begin, navigate to Cameras and select Inspection. By default, the page opens on the Overview Needs Review tab. This tab lists all cameras that the AI inspection has flagged as interfered with. To view more information, click View Details. Here you can see why a camera failed inspection. From this window, you can set a new reference image, add a comment, and mark the camera as either good or bad. The Audit tab provides a complete history of previous inspections, helping you track changes over time. When a camera is flagged, the Reason section provides context, such as a blocked lens, a moved camera, glare, low light, or blurred image. You can filter by reason, or use the filter icon to apply additional options. Sorting results alphabetically A to Z or Z to A is also available. The Bad Cameras tab shows cameras manually marked as bad by users. The All Cameras tab lists every camera in the system. Clicking the Settings cog displays the number of cameras shown per page. To view more, simply change the page size or navigate to the next page. Select the Inspection Settings tab to configure when inspections run. For example, you might schedule inspections daily at 6 a.m. Only root admin users can edit this time. If you don't have the required access, an error message will appear. Each camera takes 1 to 2 seconds to inspect, with a 30-second timeout if no image is available. AI inspection results update every 5 minutes, and on large deployments, inspection performance will depend on CPU capacity. To stay on top of inspection issues, configure alerts from the dashboard. Navigate to Rules and click Add Rule. You'll notice a new Failed Inspection option. Rules allow you to receive alerts in Enterprise Manager, acknowledge issues, and track which user responded. You can also configure automatic email notifications, so when a camera fails inspection, you'll receive an immediate alert. The enhanced automated camera inspection feature in exacqVision 26.0 makes it easier than ever to detect issues, streamline reviews, and respond quickly. For more details, please visit our online documentation or contact technical support.